Okay, ready, Maddie? Start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Say, make a wish.
Make a wish.
Maddie, did you help make that cake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you think it's really good?
Yeah.
Me too.
No. It's the German chocolate
Thank
cake.
you and Mommy very, very much. You and Mommy made my favorite cake, didn't she, Maddie? Yeah. Did Mommy help you or did you help Mommy?
I help Mommy.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe you made it. It's gonna be yummy, yummy.
There's chocolate in there.
There is. Where's the chocolate at?
Down there.
Down there. Is that the good part?
Mm-hmm.
It is. You don't like the top part?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Some people like I do. Travis is 27 years old.
Finally caught up to you.
Ready to eat, Maddie? Oh, you're not eating it? Okay.
Okay, those.
Kenzie, say bye-bye. Kenzie, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Mama.
Bye-bye. Ken.
Bye-bye.
Sliding door.
Let's see what she does with this cake. No candles.
Hold on, Maddie.
No.
Want some cans? You can have some. You can have some cake. Yeah. Happy. Uh-huh. You help make it for Daddy too? You like this? Go.
Ken, try it. Try the cake.
Put your finger in it. Say yummy, yummy, yummy.
Put her finger in it real quick.
Yummy, yummy. They're not growing anymore?
They're growing some more.
Oh, some more? You can watch them grow?
Okay.
Bye, Kenzie.
Yeah.